Hi everyone, this is Camille. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a number rolling effect that looks like this. You can add this amazing effect to spice up many of your videos. If you're into this, keep watching. We need to prepare a black image clip, an image clip that shows the number from 0 to 9, and a clock video clip. We can make the previous two clips inside of VideoProc Vlogger. First, let's make the image clip that shows a sequence of numbers. Click here to create a new text clip. Changing the text content into these. Select this font. Then decrease the offset to remove the shadows. Now let's come over to the text box. Make each number take a separate line. We can notice the numbers that exit the preview window become invisible. We can click on here to resize the text box. Let's put it up and down to the maximum point. Some numbers are still invisible. We can click on the blue point in the bottom right color and scale down the entire text box. Then pull down to enlarge this range. This will be okay. We want to make the text show as big as clear as possible. Meanwhile, don't make anything exit the text box. Now we can click on here to save a snapshot of this sequence of numbers. Then delete the text inside the text box. Save a snapshot of the black background. Import these two black images to VideoProc Vlogger. Now we've prepared the footage. It's time to make a number rolling effect. Before editing, we need to clarify the position where we want the effect to appear. We can place guides to mark the desired location for improving the editing efficiency. Let's add a crisscross guide in the middle. This can divide the picture into 4 parts. Then add a guide in the middle of each line, like this. Last, let's divide this evenly by adding a guide in the middle. We're gonna show the numbers in this section. Next, let's add a number clip to VideoProc. Click on this button to enter the motion editor. Here, we can animate the text. Click on here to create a keyframe. Then let's adjust this selection box to make it cover the entire window. Then we come over to the position where the motion effect ends. Click on here to create a new keyframe. Then let's move this selection box downward to the bottom of the target number. Let's add a keyframe at the end position. We may find the text animated effect feels a little bit abrupt. We can select the second keyframe and change the speed mode to speed down. It looks much better. By using the same method, we can add the rest numbers. You can edit as many numbers as you want. Here, I added 3 numbers. After that, we click on here and adjust the positions of these numbers by turn. Thanks to the guides, we can get things done easily. Don't forget to add these clips to 3 different overlay tracks. And switch the blend mode from normal to screen. After that, we can find there are some redundant numbers. Let's drag the snapshot of the black background onto the timeline. Adjust its position to cover the redundant numbers. Then, we adjust the start time of each number. Go to the Properties panel and add a Fit-In effect. Let's preview what we get. It looks good. Now we come to our last step, merge the numbers and the clock video clip. This is easy to do. Let's add a video clip onto the overlay track. Go to the Properties panel and change the blend mode to darken. It looks good. Then we add this video clip onto a new overlay track. Go to the point where we want the clock video to start to show. Add a split point here and trim off the previous part. Then we add a Fit-In effect. Take a look at the outcome. We get the desired result. It's super easy to do, isn't it? You can add proper sound effects or music for the video. Just try yourself. That's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!